Well, I've got Rosie Hughes and Rebecca Pritchard here with me. Girls, what an afternoon. I mean, Steve was getting a little bit choked up there. I think it just shows what it means, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course it is. Look, we've come here, we watched the under-19s. Unfortunately, they obviously lost their game. But we've come here, fought first half, 0-0. We fought. And then obviously I think just at the end I managed to save that ball, get it into Bex, and somehow she slipped it into the back of the net. And as you can see, obviously, we're all delighted, so happy. And look, we've made it to the top 12. We won 12 league games out of 12, and now we've just gone and beat South Wales League to make us into the top tier.
Yeah, Rebecca, only goal of this afternoon goes to you. Can you tell me what was going through your head at that time?
I was just trying to get a toe in it. She put a perfect ball in, and I didn't even see the ball go in the back of the net, to be honest. I was facing the other way.
I think she just felt everyone fall on top of her.
Tell me as well, though, it was such a tight game at times. You rode your luck on occasions. What was going through your mind during the last couple of minutes there?
Obviously just keep working hard as we had the whole 90 minutes and sticking, and Dell made some superb saves.
I was going to say.
Yeah. She saved just as much as Bex has scored, even more. If it wasn't for her, could have been a lot different score. I think for me personally, you can see I was trying to come back and defend, because once we've got that one goal, all we want to do is stop them from scoring.
We've seen you score plenty, girls, this season, Rosie. You put in some great service this afternoon for Bex's goal as well.
Yeah, I have to, because sometimes when the pressure's on me, I have to pull myself away from the ball, away from scoring. I don't like it, but if it gets someone else a goal, then I'm more for everyone else scoring.
As I was just saying to the gaffer as well, you've set down the gauntlet for the men next week now as well, haven't you?
Yeah, no pressure.
Listen, girls, go and enjoy the celebrations.
Thank you so much.
They're really deserved. Enjoy it.